Namaskar, I'm Gogi from How to Do It. Today we're gonna talk about that how we can convert these type of pages into text. Yes, you are listening right. If we have written content on our page and we want to convert that in text, how we can do so? First of all, you think that we're gonna type that all and it become text, but it's not the process. I'm gonna let you know that how you can do that, convert this page in just in few seconds using your mobile phone into text. So how we can do that? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this. And now watch the video till the end and learn how to convert any page into text content. First of all, you have to download or open the Google Lens app. As you can check out, this one is Google Lens app. When we click on that, it will open like this, and click on this camera button. After that, you will see camera opens like this, and after that you have to take the photo of that data or page you want to copy. As you can check out, it's now showing like this. You have to click on this text button over here. When you click on text, it will copy the all text, and after that you have to click on this select all. As you can check out, it has selected all the data. If you want to edit according to yourself, or you want to copy less data or anything, any line you want to discard from that, you can do so. And as you can check out, I have selected the photo of text over there, and when we selected, we have to click on this copy text, and as you can see, copy it to clipboard and go to the any software or any chatting website or anywhere. As you can check out, I am just pasting this data into the WhatsApp, and after that send it. And as you can check out, this data is exactly the same data which we wanted to copy from that page. Hope if you like this video about this scanning process, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends, not to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.